Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to bring you another short video which is going to be a small tutorial about something that I discovered doing one of my last videos, and implies an issue that you might have encountered if you have been using old laptops, especially IBM ThinkPad laptops. If you have done so, you might be acquainted with this. Well, once it starts booting with you might be familiar with this. It is the screen not being used full if you're using a resolution which isn't the native resolution of the screen. If you use a smaller resolution, you don't get the full screen being used. In fact, if you can notice that if I change it to 640 by 480, I'm not getting the full screen. No, I'm going to revert the changes. I don't want that configuration. Oh, I hate that you do that. Well, you will also see that I still have that if I, for example, run Doom, it will, which is a DOS game which uses a smaller resolution, it will not use the full screen. Well, I don't know about other laptops because this issue isn't exclusive from IBM laptops. I've been told that some old compact laptops do it as well. In IBM laptops is a hidden configuration setting that you can configure with this application here, the ThinkPad configuration, which you can get for your IBM laptop at thinkpads.com, which is a fan-maintained website which it has a snapshot of the old IBM support site. Well, in the application, if you go to the LCD section, you'll see those options, which is the brightness, which is not the one we are looking for, and this one, the screen expansion, which by default is disabled. This setting is the one which controls if the screen will stretch when using a smaller resolution, or on the contrary, they will leave the image small in the center when not using the full resolution of the screen. So if I select enabled, you'll now see, I don't remember if a restart is required, but you'll now see that if I change the configuration of the screen, now the computer is being stretched instead of using only the center of the screen. Yes, you might notice that there's certain what's the word I'm looking for? Distortion on the fonts, because, well, the resolution is being stretched, but it is still better than having the image in small in the center of the screen. You also now see that if I run Doom, now it is using the full screen also stretching like the rest. But well, we have using the whole screen. This not only is a Windows setting, it's a computer setting that for some reason it's accessed through the configuration utility. In fact, you'll notice that if I shut down, now it is using the whole screen. Just so you see, I'm going to boot from a boot floppy and check that even without loading Windows, it still uses the whole configuration. As you can see, how it is in the corner, it is using the whole screen. So it is a computer setting which for some reason is set through the configuration app, which makes me wonder how it will work if using DOS. I suppose that that for the machines which works with DOS, the DOS application, it seems that my boot floppy is screwed up, but well, as you can see, it now works using the full screen. Let's reboot and let Windows start. You can see the full screen load screen. I've tried with other ThinkPads besides this one, using the same utility, and it seems to consistently work. So, well, I hope that this is useful for you if you have an old ThinkPad and have that issue with the screen. In the description you have a link for the website which holds the snapshot of the IBM support, which of course you might be able to find them in the Lenovo legacy website, but those are being pruned, so it's advisable that you go to the snapshot instead. Well, I hope that you have liked the video and that it has useful for you, and to see you in the next one.